Hi everybody, it's me, Sissy, and today we're going to be making low-carb taco soup. The weather's kind of chilly around here now, so I'm ready for some good soup. And this is one of my favorites because I love tacos and I love things spicy, so I'm going to put some seasoning in here and make it kind of spicy. But anyway, I finished up my 5 weeks of low carb with Christy on Diet Doctor, and I lost 10 pounds total, so that was great. It's been a couple of weeks now since then, and I've been staying pretty low carb, tracking my carbs. I got a new app on my phone, Carb Manager, so you can input all your food and keep track. So I'm doing good. I had a couple of days where I had a little too many nuts, but we all have those days. So I haven't weighed. I'm going to wait and weigh the 1st of November and weigh once a month, but I don't feel like I've gained anything. I don't know if I've lost anything. I can't really tell by my clothes, but it's been a good week. Things have been going good, and I've got a new recipe. This is my recipes, but I'll put the whole thing in the comments so you can make it on your own. And we're going to make it in Instapot because that's the quickest way to make soup, and it'll taste like you cooked it all day. So anyway, let's jump right to it. I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit so y'all can see what I'm doing, and then I'll tell you the recipe, and I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef here in my Instapot, and we're going to put it on saute and cook that up. Y'all probably don't need to watch that. Okay, so I've sauteed my beef in here for a little bit. It's almost done, and then I drained off a lot of the fat in here, and it's just about done. And now I'm going to add my seasonings. I don't like to add my seasonings when I first start sauteing it, because then when I drain it I feel like all the flavors drained off. So so what we're going to add is you could chop up an onion and fry it with your meat, but I hardly ever keep onions in my house because they go bad. So this is a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just going to sprinkle that in. And then remember I like mine kind of spicy, so this is 2 tablespoons of chili powder. That already smells good. And then 2 teaspoons of cumin. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And then this, you don't have to add this. I love it. It's Tajin seasoning. It's like a blend, and I get it from Walmart. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of that in. It's got kind of like a little bit of a lime taste to it, so I love it. And then you can add a little salt and pepper. And if you don't want to make your own spice mix, you can just add taco seasoning. You know, that's up to you. But I'm just going to add a little bit of, just a little salt. And then a little bit of black pepper. Okay, so we're going to finish sauteing our beef. And now I've read somewhere with the Instapot, you're not supposed to add dairy. Not supposed to, like, I'm going to add cream cheese and some shredded cheese. It said to add that after you finish cooking, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure what the reasoning is behind that. But anyway, we're going to add, I got some good beef bone broth. I'm going to add the whole box is 32 ounces. Yeah, that smells good, y'all. So I'm going to add the whole thing. Okay, and then I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. You can drain this if you want to, or you can just add the juice that's in it. I'm going to add the juice. So I'm going to add a whole can, and then I have a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm going to add that whole can. Alright, we're going to give that a stir. And like I said, I'm not going to add my cheese. Right now we're going to put the lid on and put it on soup and cook it for 10 minutes. Or you can put it on pressure for 10 minutes. Or if you're doing it in the crock pot or on the stove top, you just cook it till those flavors meld together. Now I always have a hard time getting my lid on here. I'm challenged. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're just going to do soup. Okay, we're going to put it on. Let's see, I got to put it on 10 minutes. Okay, when that gets done, we'll come back and add the cheese and see how it tastes. My camera just kind of spaced out, so I don't know what I've got filmed and what I don't, but I added my cream cheese mixture. I ran it through the Ninja so that it got nice and creamy. And now I'm going to just add, this is 5 ounces of shredded pepper jack cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, whatever your favorite cheese is. Or you can use this to garnish, but I kind of like mine to be all melted in my soup. Now you can just let that simmer for a little bit and your soup will be ready to go. Okay, so now we have our soup, so let's give it a taste. That's pretty good, except for it's not quite spicy enough for me. I think I might have to add some jalapenos. That's good and cheesy. It'd be great on a cold day. So y'all get in there, do some keto. I think this, I figured it up, has about 7 carbs a serving, which is a pretty good, like a 1.5 cup size serving. And it all depends on how many tomatoes, what kind of tomatoes are put in it. It's good. But it's good. It's great for a cold day or a cool day in the fall like we're having now. But I'd have this with a side of maybe some pork rinds for my taco shells. And you could top it with a little more cheese and a little sour cream. That'd be great. But anyway, y'all, get in there, cook something keto, low carb. You can eat like this and lose weight. I'm going to keep doing it. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.